Welcome to the K40MODS channel dedicated to the modding of the K40. We're going to trick this thing out. As you can see, it's got a custom base now. This video is being recorded after I published my second video about testing the control board. Since then, I built this stand for it. It's big enough so that when the time comes, we rip out the insides and make it a 12 by 24. There's enough room on the stand to build a box case for all of the controls and all the electronics. It's on wheels, but it's just only so I can move it away from the wall if I need to get in behind it. It's not for moving around the room. This whole wall of my garage is dedicated to the K40. Since the last video, you can see it down there. There's the old power supply. I did receive the new one. It's working great. Haven't really done too much with the lasers so far. Been waiting to mod it. I put the new. I also got the new tube. I'll show you that. Seems to be working great. If you noticed in the first video when I was showing the problem with there's a new tube. When I was showing that the laser was in TM01 mode because it was firing a double beam, if you noticed, the laser was hitting the very bottom of the mirror and couldn't raise it or anything. So I ripped out the default supports for the laser tube and put in some custom ones. Now I can move it around and point it around, which makes things a lot easier when I'm trying to align things. So let's take a look at some of the stuff we're going to be doing. So this is my workbench for the K40. The other side of the garage is all woodworking and stuff, compound miters, drill presses, etc. So move some lighting around here. And we'll get in here and take a look. So these are all the mods that we're going to be installing over the next little while. Take a look. Got a lot of work to do. Should be fun. Oh, there's the dead soldier. It was DOA. Hung it on the wall just for laughs, but I think it looks pretty good there. So here's everything we're going to be doing. If you can figure out what all this stuff is for, let me know in the comments. I suggest you subscribe if you are interested in modding the K40 and seeing what it can do. I'll be putting out videos at least a couple times a week now that I've got rolling on it. You see we've got a lot of work to do. Lots of parts here. I'll be making a video for each and every one of them, and they'll be detailed videos, not just, hey, I built this and look how well it works, or how well it didn't work. Some stuff does fail. I'll be showing you how I cut things, how I built. I'll be building more power supplies. What I did to make those. There's a couple there. So I'm hoping that there'll be a lot more instructional than most other videos you see out there. But this is what it looks like right now. Make sure you got a fire extinguisher. Anyway, and let's there's that machine is dedicated to the 3D printer. I don't like tying up my main machine for the 3D printer, and because of the way I don't run it off an SD card, I run it from a USB cable. It needs to be connected all the time, so I have a second computer here. I just access this computer remotely from my main desktop, and you can see I got it set up so that oops. There we go. You can see I got it set up so that I can record prints, and I can actually see the print bed when I'm at my main machine. I'll just show you here. So I can record and watch the printer from my main machine. The laser I will be using from my main machine. Back in here, we've got a, let's see if we can get it to focus here. There we go. An extender cable for USB. It runs, that's a 16-foot cable. It runs straight behind me to my dedicated workstation. I may show that another time. It's messy right now, so I'm not going to do that. This table was a mess before I laid all this stuff out, and I just kind of threw it over there. So it's a quad monitor system. I've been using quad monitors for years. By trade, I am a computer programmer. Used to be a carpenter, but I've been programming now for almost 30 years. So anyway, I hope you'll join me on this trip. Should be a lot of fun. Like I said, subscribe, and you get to know every time I put out a new video. I'm hoping to make it, well, you can see I have a lot of work to do, so I'm hoping to put out at least a couple of videos a week with the different stuff. And this is the main mods that I want to get done right away, and then we're going to play around, you know, with the 3D printer and stuff like that. You know, we can see what we're going to come up with. You know, if you have any ideas and you want to see if something works, let me know. You know, I can work with you on see if it'll fit in my machine, and you know, I'll be happy to do it for you. So yeah, this is just something fun that I wanted to do. My main job is pretty relaxed. Got a lot of free time, so spend it playing with this stuff. Look forward to seeing you. Look forward to your comments. Please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the near future. Take care, everybody.